Hi, my name's Stuart Caldwell. I'm here at Buford at MarineMax. Today I want to review our SLX 230. This particular boat has a drop-down swim platform so that you can sit in the water when it's fully extended down. You also have a pull-out ladder to be able to get from the water into the boat. This is dune color interior. We also have the dune sea deck going into the boat. The entrance of the boat from the rear has a built-in cooler. Makes it convenient to get to your beverages. You also have your battery switches that are easy to access here. Turn these on. Here you also have a power tower switch to bring the tower down, and you also have a hatch lift to lift and have access to the engine. Walking into the main area of the boat, you have plenty of seating. We also have this reversible seat so that you can turn it into a lounger. Both the captain's chair and the side chair have bolster seats. This particular model has the Fusion system. It also has 2 SIM-RADs for everything from chart plotting. You can look at the fish finder. Lots of functionality with these SIM-RADs. Up front, you have an anchor locker and plenty of storage for more passengers. Again, my name is Stuart Caldwell. Please come by and see us at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway in Buford, Georgia at MarineMax.